Hello guys, sorry that I was delaying the video, but the reason I was delaying the Obi-wan Kenobi versus Anakin and Anakin Skywalker Angry Bird Star Wars 2 video was because I was using the wrong recording device. I mean app. I don't know why I just said recording device, but anyways, let's dive into the nostalgia. So you guys probably are wondering before this video was released why this wasn't and why this was taken. But the reason is simple. It's cause I used the wrong recording app. I already just said that twice. Alright, so that wraps it for today. We can find